Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy, man. I'm back again with another one. But this a little different. It's a little voiceover showing y'all TKS bot, better known as the Kick Station. You know what I'm saying? Right now, just showing you guys my task. I was running for the Lamborghini and Supreme collab during this during the week that I'm showing you guys. I only ran for the Lamborghini beanie, and I also ran for the Relief BOGO and the Oreos to restock. These are my proxies that I'm using at the moment. Pretty good proxy companies. And yeah, the size, I was just looking for any available for the Oreos, of course. And these are my monitors. So we'll get into monitors a little later on what that is and what that means. But I was running Supreme fast. I think I had safe mode on when I was creating these proxies, or capture bypass, if that's what you want to call it. And then this is where you create the task, pretty much. These are all the websites that TKS support. TKS usually does pretty well on foot sites. During this week, foot sites were down, which was an okay reason because the court purples end up getting pushed back a week, and then they got pushed back another week, so I wasn't concerned. But as you can see, they support a ton of websites at the moment. I haven't had a chance to run on all of them, of course, but I look forward to moving along to our proxies. Those are my proxies. This is the type of task: variant, SKU, keywords, add to cart, link, things of that nature. Then we're going to move along to where you enter your keywords. So keywords are entered with a plus sign for positive keywords, negative sign for negative. These are my profiles, my payment types: credit card, PayPal, Alipay. You can do a custom. You also have where your task belong, your retry delay, and the quantity that you would like to purchase of an item. That is your profile section there. The options you can look at to set up webhooks, and then the proxies and quick tasks. So quick T, it stands for quick tasks. This is for when you're monitoring on your monitor, basically monitoring websites. If you see something that you have or that you would like, this is what you can set up a quick task regarding. Like I said, first size available, I think, and then I had a size 12. I was looking for the court purples to release, just in case some of the companies may have released on the regular release day. I believe EU ended up releasing this this day as well, so I thought some US companies may just go ahead and get it out the way. Fortunately, none of them did. Then you have where you can create a task, and then you can also start a task. And these keywords that I have right here, I'll tell you guys about those in a second. But going back to the quick task, it's just my proxies, any available first, and then a size 12 is what it'll go after. And then this is my monitor task, what I'm actually looking for. So anything that comes up that has Jordan Court Purple high, I don't want the lows. This will automatically start a task. So I was searching for all websites, any website that would release the court purples. I wanted it to start a task, and I wanted to start as quickly as possible. And then I'm just showing the date and the time because I was setting up for Supreme. The only thing I was going for was the Lamborghini beanies. I didn't know that you had to have, well, I did know that you had to have different addresses and everything for Supreme, but unfortunately, I didn't set it up that way. So later on in the video, you guys will see what actually happened, and I'll explain to you guys what actually happened. And yeah, and let's get on to the live cop and show you guys how well the the kick station works on Supreme. Peace. All right, and we are back. So yeah, the time was 7:58. Supreme was releasing in 2 minutes. I think that's correct. Yeah, Supreme was gonna release at 8, right? Yeah, That's definitely correct. Anyways, so as you can see, I'm just sitting here waiting for the time. Oh, this time is in California time. I'm tripping. That's why I'm like, bro, what? So when I first got my server, I was in California, but now I don't live in California anymore. But my server is still in California time. That's why I was like, man, it usually at least at 10. So, all right. Anyways, so I'm sitting here watching, the time at the moment. I usually start my task about 30 seconds to 15 seconds before the drop. Um, with the kick station, I think they prefer you to start it a minute or 45 seconds before the drop. Just because I don't want to have any proxies banned, and I wasn't sure if the Oreos were going to restock again, and also if they were going to actually launch a relief tea. I just wanted to be as cautious as possible because I don't need any of my proxies to be banned. And I just wanted to make sure I got my beanies. The beanies that I'm going after are the Lamborghini beanies. I didn't select the size, nor did I select the color actually. I just wanted, first either the orange or the black. Didn't matter. Um, was hoping that I can get both. As you can see, now we're about to start our task. I didn't want to start all the tasks at once, so I just went task by task and manually started them. As you can see, we're getting a few errors, forbidden, probably some bad proxies or some sort, but nothing was picking up at the moment. It was officially 8, so I just wanted to hurry up and get my task started. As you can see, I instantly copped the two Lamborghini beanies that I wanted to. We were submitting order. Shout out to Inertia Proxies and Cookie Proxies. They worked right away. When I pressed start, got me in there, got me in the queue, got me to submitting that order, and as you can see, voila, I checked out. I mean, TKS is a pretty beginner friendly bot, I would say. I feel like everything is self-explanatory. If you guys have any questions or concerns about anything, feel free, to reach out to me in the comments. Feel free to DM me on my social media. I'll link all my social media on this video. I feel like I know this bot pretty well just because I've ran it previously for previous drops, due to friends and people in my cook group having the bot. I really like the bot as a whole. I'm looking forward to starting to cook on some foot sites once we have a big foot site cookout, which I thought it was going to be the Court Purples, but the Court Purples just released this past weekend, and I ended up running Kodai, and I must say, yeah, I have some type of video to come out regarding Kodai. When I was recording a video for that video, it froze up on me, but that's a whole nother story. That video will be out after this video. But as you guys can see, man, we copped. I was happy. But unfortunately, I only ended up getting one out of the 2 hats because I had the same information for both of the profiles. So I had the same address, the same name, the same card. I know, just rookie mistakes, you know what I'm saying? And I've been botting for what, a year now, I guess you could say. But I have not too deep into Supreme, so I was just buying. As you see, my Supreme online order pops up in the right corner, my confirmation, but I only received one. So it sucks, but hey, you live, you learn, and you regroup. I wish I could have recorded my recent cooks from today, which is Thursday, which was the spring teas. My guy hit me up. Just yeah, I mean, we're just copying, man. We're botting, trying to learn. Oh my. Sorry about that. But we're just copying and botting and trying to learn everything. Trying to learn the system as well. Like I said, I'll be having more live cop videos to drop. The next video I put out, I don't think I will do a one on the Electro bot, which is more of a splash bot, I would say, or a bot that waits in the live queue and gets you past queue. instantly, because it's for Yeezy Supply, Finish Line, Dick's Sporting Good, and Adidas. And they also just added some new websites as well. But that'll do it for this video, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments or shoot me a DM on social media. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter at JDonaldson901. And yeah, man, peace, love, and happiness. Like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, because I'm going to start doing these live cop videos frequently because I like it. But I'm going to have to find me a new computer that has the bandwidth to hold me running my server, me also running Discord, and also trying to do a screen recording. So I'm going to figure out some stuff about that, and when I figure it out, things will be much smoother. So yeah, man, appreciate you guys watching, man. Peace, love, and happiness, and y'all be safe out there, man. And keep social distance. Peace.